Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply France study visa step by step. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am government body. So this video is just based on my knowledge and research, and it has got no legal advice. This is just to show you how to use the service, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Another thing, no individual's data is released in this video. If you see any information that is filled on the forms etc., that is totally sample information and that does not belong to any real person. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official France visa site. You see you have a visa wizard, so I click on it. Here you gotta check if you need a visa, and then it shows you other information. So I'm just gonna put some sample here. Long stay, let's say you are going for a long study. So we see the options here. What are the things? Yes, visa is required. Now the plans, what you want to do. Study. And the form loads. Student. Okay, now you see supporting documents, amount to pay, funds. You see the funds, documents, and the fee. Okay, when you when you apply online, click on submit online application. The first thing we will do here is to create an account. Okay, I'm just going to create an account and then we'll take it up from there. So once you do that, you're going to get a verification code that you got to enter here in order to verify, and then there's a button you got to click. So after login, it is going to ask you to create a password, so I'm going to do it. Okay, now because I have not created an application, so this is the main page. Create a new application or a new group of applications. So I click on this. So it has already picked up from where I had left. Okay, I click on next. Oh, I'm missing this, so I'm just putting a sample. Alright, so now I'm gonna go on next. Okay, supporting document section I have gone. General information, so I'm just gonna put some sample here. So after providing personal information, it is asking for your last visa if you have ever resided for more than 3 months in a row in France. So I just select no. Now it has gotten for stay. I'm just gonna put some sample information. It is asking about contacts, as you can see. Whatever is applicable. You can see that there are various options, whatever is applicable. I'm again gonna put some sample. Next comes the recap, where you have the option to make any modification, like review everything that you have done. Okay, and then once I go to the next stage, it will be like supporting documents and then appointment. So I'm not going to go to that because there I have to pay and all everything. So this is for the sample video. I'm not going to do that. I hope you like my efforts. Thanks for watching this.